Hey, this is Kevin from Gemini Outdoors, and today's video we're going to be doing our second day hike at Monte Sano Preserve. We're hiking along the BLUFFLINE trail. I'm here today with my beautiful wife Charlotte and my young son Kevin Jr. and we're expecting having a good day. There's a lot of folks here. It's a really beautiful day. There's hardly a cloud in the sky. It's kind of cool and a little bit windy, but we're going to deal with that and hopefully have us a good little day hike here. I guess we're going to start the video right here. We're on the BLUFFLINE trail and we're having some fun. We've already been passed by quite a few people, so there's just a good bit of folks up here today. Can't blame them. It's a beautiful day. I got my family with me.
It's all the way down.
Look at that big rock. Step up on it. Oh, goodness.
Look, I found another one.
There's absolutely some beautiful scenery up here. When we come up here the first time, let's look in the background there if you can see it. It's so gorgeous. We come up here the first time, there was so many leaves you really couldn't see as much detail as you can see now. Which, I mean, the leaves are still on the trees, but they're starting to come down. The battery indicator on there, it goes finally. The battery, I was gonna say the battery indicator on the camera keeps telling me that I got 166 minutes of battery left, but it's like, I know that can't be true because, you know, I still haven't changed this battery from where I went on the local park day hike. So now it just now changed, but it could go out on me at any time, so just to warn you. Last time we were up here, we seen some deer. I don't know, I doubt we'll see any deer today, but that was kind of cool. I'm still trying out this new tripod, and it's got its benefits and its drawbacks, but it seems to be all right. Like I said, let me get this shot in the background. It's just beautiful back here. I hope it gets it on camera as good as it looks in real life. I doubt it, but anyways, just wanted to show you the bluff over here. It's real pretty. I was going to do the intro a little bit sooner than what I did, but there was a bunch of people doing some yoga or something, and I didn't want to disturb our yoga class, so I just went on by and picked a spot a little further on down the trail. So
I'll be careful, Mama. Okay, be careful.
Alright, well, I'm gonna stop this little video clip here, and then whenever we get somewhere a little bit different, I'll bring you back. You having fun, boo? Let me check this out. Stone stacking. In just a second, I'm going to show you a little bit of a view we got right down here if I don't trip over myself. I don't know, it might be too much leaves. Too many leaves. It's beautiful back there, though. If you can see the bluff going along up there, it's beautiful. My battery's back to 166 minutes, so like I said, this video could cut off at any time, so remember that. Yeah, I think it's going to be just a little bit too much. Leaves down there. Oh well, I'll give it a try. Ain't no harm in that, right? Down there. It's a beautiful day, absolutely gorgeous.
We go that way? That's still way down.
Take a look at this.
Uh-oh.
Like I said, I hope the camera's doing it justice because it is absolutely beautiful in person. So. My son and his southern accent. Oh man, it is so beautiful back in there, babe. Look at that. It's just so beautiful. I don't know if, like I said, I don't know if the camera's doing it justice. In person, it's just absolutely gorgeous.
Let's go.
You ever think something like that would be in your backyard, basically? Or just a little short, short drive. I don't know, how long do you think it took to get us here? About 30 minutes?
I don't know, I was just thinking, I wonder how long we've been walking.
Yeah, we've been passed by quite a few hikers, quite a few runners, and some mountain bikers, if I didn't mention it. Everybody's out enjoying today. It's beautiful up here. So we can see if somebody else walks up behind us. What's the matter, buddy? You got something in your shoe?
Let me see.
Well, my son's got something in his shoes, so I think this is a perfect place to kind of stop this clip, and I will bring you back once we get somewhere else.
I want to do it again.
All right.
Pass us. We haven't seen them. So.
Yeah, well, I mean, I think they said that this trail's like 2.5 miles long. So, I mean, it could.
Mama,
I'm thinking that it probably goes like one direction back and forth, and we just haven't. You know, they're way ahead of us by now. We're talking about how long this trail is and if it makes a loop. I looked at the map and I don't think it makes a loop, so. I'm gonna wait on the family. There they are. Aren't they beautiful? They're mine. It's a beautiful little section. Check this out. Up. Far away. All right, let's go. Yeah. Making sure the microphone was on. I've done that before. I made a video clip and not realize I had the microphone cut off, and yeah.
I'm right here, Mama.
Just look at that back there, man. Battery's still on 166 minutes. I must have the greatest battery known to man. Absolutely gorgeous. My wife's taking pictures too. It's a gorgeous day. It's absolutely beautiful. I mean, there's so many people out here taking advantage of a beautiful day like this, and I have to take advantage of it too, because work is definitely about to pick up. We're about to start the busy season, and I'm not going to be able to do these videos like this, the excursions, very much longer. So I'm getting this one in and getting as many of them in as I can. I was hoping that the leaves would have turned, but they are a little bit, but just not as much as I was hoping. So, but I'm still out here doing this anyway, so it's a beautiful day. What's up, baby?
Matthew doesn't know that we're gone.
He don't?
No.
That's funny. My stepson doesn't realize we're gone, so. Where are y'all?
Yeah.
Like I said, I must have the greatest battery known to mankind. It's still sitting on 166 minutes. I know that's a lie, unless it's just it's a preset thing, but I've seen it where it dropped to 165 a little while ago, but it's back up to 166 now. Wow, it is just super gorgeous back here, y'all. Gemini Outdoors. Having fun in the wilderness. It sounds like our adventure is about to come to an end. My son's ready to go home, so. You want to call it quits here, babe, or turn around and go back? If he's, you know, I don't want to push him too hard and him not like it, you know. So it's going to be just as far back as it is we came in. So.
Came further this time than we did last time.
We come a long ways. I don't know exactly how far in this trail we are, but we come in a pretty good ways. Like I said, we've had people passing us left and right, so.
Yeah,
Alright, well, we're going to turn around here, and I'll bring you back once we get back going the other way. You having fun, boo? Well, we're on our way back to the car. We've come in a pretty good little ways. But forgot to mention the stuff that we're testing today here on Gemini Outdoors. I am testing, let's see, the Igloo Day Hawk backpack, which is doing absolutely phenomenal. Really digging it for a Day Hawk pack. I'm also testing Gander Mountain God Series hiking pants. Let me zoom down here so can I see it. They're convertible. They convert into shorts during the summer, so you're not burning up in them. And then you can always zip them up and put the pants legs back on them if you're going through some thick stuff, or if it's cooler weather like it is today. Really digging those too. I've worn them quite a few times now on little outings like this, and they rock. But that's basically. Oh yeah, and I got the Camillus bushcraft blade with me, bushcraft knife with me, but I haven't had a chance to use it. So, and I probably won't, not up here at the preserve. So that's about it. We just had an awesome time, me and the family. We've really enjoyed ourselves out here. Pick up this piece of trash. We'll hike it out. Down in there. I like to leave it better than I left it, so. So yeah, it's just an absolutely gorgeous day. We just really enjoyed ourselves. It was just a nice, relaxing day to get away from everything, get away from life. The outdoors is just a beautiful place to reload and to revamp your energy levels after a hard day, hard week at work like I had. And like I said, it's going to be picking up here for too long, and when it does, I'm not going to be able to do stuff like this, so I need to get it in as quick as I can. Really enjoyed spending time with my wife and my son. We've all had a really good time, and I may end the video right there. So take it easy.
I want to do it again.
All right.